This work is focused on Kachemak Bay and Cook Inlet. We're measuring ocean circulation using surface drifters, which are shown in the left two photos. The fabric vanes of the drifters are designed to track the surface water motion, and the position of the drifters are telemetry to us every 10 minutes, and a GPS and a phone that are inside the orange and white float. Sets of drifters are deployed, as you can see in the right two photos, very closely spaced, and we look at the way the spacing between drifter pairs increases over time. This is a measure of how far and how quickly things disperse in the ocean. It's a nice mathematical quantity for ocean models. It's a good estimate for telling us how quickly things move about in the ocean. The drifters measure this quantity called dispersion. And you can see here I've connected four drifters that are deployed in Kachemak Bay in the far left photo with red lines. And we're looking at how the distance characterized by those red lines increases over time. And the two color-coded cartoons in the middle show this relationship between distance and time, and that is our measurement of dispersion. And we look at that over hours and days. Because we put four drifters in, we get six estimates, six distances between pairs to calculate this quantity called dispersion. This number tells us how larvae can be recruited and where they move. It tells us how freshwater mixes that's coming in from rivers and glaciers. And it's really important to telling us how pollutants might disperse in the area. So this work that we're doing is important to biology, ecology, ocean physics, and possible oil spills. What have we learned from this work? We can see all the trajectories for the drifters we've deployed in Kachemak Bay, and those drifters have gone throughout the Gulf of Alaska and up into the Bering Sea. The ones that we've deployed and redeployed in Kachemak Bay have revealed the surface circulation that's shown in the upper left. There's a counterclockwise circulation cell that you can see in the left part of the upper left picture, and you can see circulation in Kachemak Bay with strong speeds on the northern side of Kachemak Bay that exit around Homer Spit and head to the northwest toward Anchor Point. And we found out that the drifters that are deployed off of two glaciers in Kachemak Bay, and I'm looking at the right-hand frame now, the ones deployed off of Gruink Glacier tend to stay within the bay. Those are shown in the blue trajectories. And the ones that are deployed off Wasnezensky Glacier tend to drift out and leave Kachemak Bay. This helps our understanding for where larvae might be dispersed, where pollutants might go, and how freshwater mixing happens to occur in Kachemak Bay and Cook Inlet. Thank you.